Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to make a mood board on Canva. So mood board is a collage of image or patterns or icons that is describe the feel of your business, of your design and etc. And you can make it on Canva. So first, open your Canva and then search for the mood board template from Canva, but please make sure that you have inspiration in mind, so you can just add your identity to your 2D template. For example, I'm going to use oh okay, I'm going to use probably this one. Okay, so as you can see here, there is some color identity that is used in this mood board. So I'm going to change it. For example, I have pink. I want to make a pink uh, mood board. So I'm going to just add some pink identity to my mood board like this. Okay, so just like that, and you can just add another another picture or inspiration with pink as the, just like so. You can add the pictures one by one, like so. Okay, so I've already finished adding my pink mood board like this. As you can see, it's all pink, and then when you're done, you can just click on share and then save your mood board, or you can share it to your friends, your colleagues, or your partner. Click on share social, or you can just copy the link. Okay, so that is how you can make or create mood board in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.